Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add a speed ramp to your videos on CapCut PC. Select your video and then go to the speed section and you are going to go to curve. There's a bunch of options you can choose from. This is the montage one. So it goes like really fast and it goes slow. And then there's this one called hero. There's one called bullet. There's one called jump out. It goes from like super slow to like fast and then slow again. There's flash in. And then there's flash out. You can opt for smooth slow-mo if there's like a slower area here, and then go to optical flow to make it smoother. But that's it. You can also customize your own if you'd like to, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.